Full RPM here, guys. I'm looking for one lucky winner to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, M endurance chain, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, and much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com.
I think 56 nights crazy. I think 56 nights crazy. I think me and young skull crazy. I think me and young skull crazy. Tiptoeing through the night, the top G is here. Man, this shit is crazy. Still not enough. Too faded. Ball money, motivation. Money keep a nigga motivated. Molly's keep a nigga motivated. Lot of money. Conversating. I was on my way to Ride Street in the paddock wagon and it had me numb. Pain from the slums had me numb. They eat caviar. That's poured inside the rabbit, y'all. We be sunning in my daddy, y'all. Let's get it. 56 nights crazy. Nights crazy. Me and young skull crazy. 56 I was on the European tour and they were all crazy. All crazy. Beauty lit up at night. Beautiful city lit up at night, man. Elevated. Intoxicated. Diamonds hanging off me. I'm intoxicated. With a sack chaser. Sack, baby. We'll still do it. I've been waiting some years for this. You want to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR? Go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered to win her. Somebody's going to get it. Hopefully that person is you. But you got to be in it to win it. This thing's got M endurance wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, heated grips, which comes in handy right now. Heated grips, M endurance chain, wheelie control, drift control. Whee! Going the bumpers 100, up in the jungle. Whatever you into, man. You know, BMW is the ultimate driving machine. BMW. Shout out to all my people from Deutschland. You say BMW. She creeping up to the front too. She said, "Yeah, I'm up here too, big dog." Let's see if she got the pull away power though. You know, that's what's important. Here we go. 3, 2. She got it too. I almost stalled it. I let the clutch out and had to gather it back. Re-let it out.
Dress it up and make it real for me.
Whatever that fucking means. Oh, what we got there?
There's something in the styrofoam. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up a gas.
The lanes in the ground.
Rapid. We're the one that kept it cool without the nigga.
Start acting. Don't let them have it. Much madness.
I don't want it for the bitch that might have made me fuck her even though she average.
Getting cooked. 45 by my good. Take you out for some joints.
Down the money, no rush. I'm on one way flush. Loud pack smelling must. Apply the pressure with the VVS.
Wasn't Chevy. Got a foreign like it wasn't. Got a bike like it was a Chevy, baby. Throw the inner styrofoam. Get my mind blown. 200 miles on the dash. People still out here, man. Good weather today, too. Middle of November. I see you over there peeking, brother. Let me get him out of there. Let me get him out of there.
I had to spread the shoulder with my jeans on. And I had my pistol in my pocket.
Gotta be cautious.
Can't trust none of these bitches, gotta be cautious.
On the sodas at the gas station.
I just put a famous bitch in rotation.
Nothing like Berlin. Nothing like it, man. This is the closest feeling to New York in Europe. Without the tall buildings. With the people. I don't beg, girl.
I bet I keep that tool on me.
Yeah, we're testing out the new mic. See how good it is. Hopefully it rocks like it's supposed to. Showed it with my jeans on. Come on, baby, you got it. You ain't got to run. Must be opera night. All these people out here. Oh, look at little ones playing. Bro, come on now. You know you ain't got that light. What you doing? She thinks she gonna get me? Hope she. You're another thing. Home by the living room. And I had that in my pocket. It's at the gas station. Ooh, I can't tell you about no capers. They ain't got it lit up tonight. Or the lights haven't turned on yet, but I don't think they got it lit up tonight. Or is it lit up? Am I tripping? Might be spotlighted. But I think it'd be on more than that though. Maybe it's just me. What we got going on down here to life? In the heaven, What's the Taliban? Embarrass y'all. Cup is so dirty. All right, all right, all right. She out here working it. Go ahead, baby. set, Chaser. Going back, baby. Always good to see the ladies out here riding. Whenever you can. You don't see it too often, but when you do, you gotta salute it. Because riding is for all. Literally, riding is for all. That's this motherfucker. Hey. Crazy. Go crazy. Hopefully that wasn't throw up that I just ran over. Hopefully nobody just threw up. Need to clean this corner up. All them damn leaves. I seen you peeking, baby. Bomb money in my motor, baby. Cup is dirty. Dirty soda in a styrofoam. Get my mind blown. Go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Trains in the Grand Rapid. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Boom, bang, kaboom.